Campers. I'm Caroline Allison, and we're on the Viscape video blog tour of Vail. And I'm standing right here in front of the covered bridge. There's the covered bridge. That's how you know you've arrived to Vail Village. And we're walking actually in the snowstorm through Vail Village, and I just wanted to show you the village really quickly. It's really beautiful, and it has that kind of European-ish American look to it. There's a lot of really cute restaurants and bars and shops. And at the end of this walkway is actually the bottom of the mountain where we get started with our ski day, which we're not going skiing today. We're actually going to be catching a plane. So this is